Now this car is not built for the average driver. It's for those who understand what real performance feels like. Now here we are with this incredible car, the Valiant. Now this car is not built for the average driver. It's for those who understand what real performance feels like. So how does icmarkets reflect the same philosophy for their serious traders?
Sure, so like the Valiant, icmarkets is built for those who appreciate performance over compromise, no distractions, no gimmicks, just pure precision-tuned execution.
The Valiant is full of purposeful design, every part engineered for function, not flash. How does icmarkets apply the same level of intent?
Every detail exists to deliver performance, nothing is accidental, nothing is wasted.
Only 38 Valiants exist, not because demand is low, but because standards are so high. How does the same thinking guide how you build icmarkets' trading environment?
So at icmarkets, we've employed the same philosophy when we've built our trading environment. The trading environment's specifically tailored for those who demand speed, control, and really fast execution.
The Valiant blends old school connection with modern performance. How does icmarkets strike the same balance between technology and trader control?
The Valiant proves that analog can still outperform. We believe the same at icmarkets, empowering real traders, not just algorithms, with the speed and stability they need to stay in control.